Okay, up next, everybody, is a box of 2017 Panini Preferred Football. So this is going to come with up to unwrapped 4 autographs, including an on-card silhouette and 1 booklet memorabilia card per box on average. So this is a more high-end product, but chances are, hopefully, we get this guy on the cover right here, Carson Wentz, and then we'll be in good shape. So let's see what we get here. Slide out here, yeah. And 1 pack inside. What we got? Alright, so we'll just set them down like this, flip them over. That'd be a autograph of Shelton Gibson for the Eagles, numbered 199. Got the number silhouetted on the back there. It's kind of cool. Eric Weddle, safety. That would be number 225. We got a preferred rookie penmanship of C.J. Petard from the San Francisco 49ers, number 25. Very strange auto, but hey, we'll take it. We got a Peyton Manning something or other. Ooh, oh, that's pretty sweet. Numbered 2 to 3 Peyton Manning autograph relic card. So I think that's good. I think that's a good one. And then our booklet is a Leonard Fournette and Blake Bortles. Nice. So I think that's a pretty damn good box. Just saying. So we'll summarize. So we got the Leonard Fournette, Blake Bortles booklet card, number to 199. Peyton Manning, number 2 to 3, and that I believe is the upper right corner of his number 18 is what I would guess, if I was to venture a guess as to what that is. I got the C.J. Petard rookie preferred, number to 25, Eric Weddle, and Shelton Gibson. Okay, thanks everybody.